Is it difficult to get into Google, Facebook, or Apple? How to get a job at MAANG or FANG? How to crack a MAANG or FANG interview? Every time I interact with job seekers, they frequently ask me these questions. So I have decided to create a video to answer these questions. So stay tuned until the end and subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed it yet. Yes, getting a job at Google, Facebook, or Apple is difficult. This is because these companies are among the most highly regarded technology companies in the world. Millions of applications are sent to these companies each year, and many of them are outstanding contenders. So competition is quite tight. Moreover, there are few employment positions in these companies, so not an easy task to get into these companies. And you know what? The hiring process at these companies is typically quite rigorous. Several rounds of interviews, including technical evaluations, behavioral interviews, and others may be required. When it comes to hiring, they are quite selective and look for the best and the brightest candidates. As a result, just a small percentage of millions of applications are hired. So it's definitely not a walk in the park. Now, despite all these, it is possible to work for one of these companies. Yes, the hiring process can be difficult, but there are some steps you can take to increase your chances of being hired by these companies. So what are those steps? Let's discuss in this video. And the first step is prepare for technical assessments. Let's try to figure out what exactly is included in technical assessment. These firms may use a variety of technical evaluations such as coding challenges, system design, testing and debugging exercises, optimization, behavioral interviews, and project-based assessments. So you should prepare for these technical evaluations. And the first step is prepare for technical assessments. Let's try to figure out what exactly is included in technical assessment. These firms may use variety of technical evaluations such as coding challenges, system design, testing and debugging exercises, optimization, behavioral interviews, and project-based assessments. So you should prepare for these technical evaluations. Now in the coding challenges, they test your ability to write clean and efficient code in a specific programming language. They also test your knowledge on data structures and algorithms. You may be asked to implement specific algorithms such as sorting, searching, graph algorithms. You can also expect problems on data structures such as arrays, linked lists, trees, or hash tables. Do you know why data structure and algorithms are so important? Because they help you write efficient and scalable code. Now coming to system design, they test your ability to design complex software systems. You may be asked to design a system from scratch. They may also ask to optimize an existing system for performance, speed, or memory usage. Now, they might also give you testing and debugging exercises. You may be given a code base with a specific set of bugs to find and fix them. Now, coming to behavioral interviews, they evaluate your work style and behavior in particular situations. They try to understand how you approach issues and collaborate with others. And you may be asked questions such as, describe a situation in which you had to explain a complicated idea to a non-technical person. How do you resolve conflicts and disagreements with co-workers? Tell about a challenging issue you resolved, how you handled it, and the lessons you took away from the experience. How have you adapted to new technologies or processes in the past? And if you are applying for a leadership or management position, you may be questioned about how you motivate and inspire others, how you have managed a team, and your leadership style. The purpose of behavioral interview is to learn more about your working style and problem-solving methods. Therefore, it's crucial that you respond honestly and always provide examples from your prior experiences to support your answers. So if you prepare well by answering questions like these, you will find it easy to face behavioral interviews. And finally, you may also ask questions specific to the programming language you are good at. Now coming to second step, that is learn about the company. Before applying for a job at Google, Facebook, or Apple, it's important to research the company and understand their culture, values, or mission. This will help you tailor your application and prepare for interviews. And to learn about these companies, you can read their websites, follow them on social media, and can also talk to current or former employees. Now coming to the third step, that is build a strong online presence. You should have a strong online presence and are familiar with social media and other digital platforms. Building a strong online presence can help you get noticed by FANG or MAANG recruiters. So keep showing your work, skills, experience and achievements online and make it easier for recruiters to find you. By engaging with other professionals online, you can stay up to date on industry trends and learn from others. You will also get to know good online courses and events, and you can join them to upskill yourself. Alright, so coming to the fourth step, that is network and get referrals. Many job opportunities at these companies are never advertised publicly. They rely on employee referrals to identify new talents. So by networking with these employees and getting referrals, you can get access to hidden job opportunities. And in order to connect with other employees in your field, you can attend industry events, conferences, or seminars. You can also use social media platforms such as LinkedIn, Twitter, or Facebook to connect with professionals. And you can also reach out to alumni network. So these are the ways to connect people and increase your chances of getting hired. Alright, so that's all for now. If you find this video helpful, do subscribe for more videos of this kind. Thank you and see you next time.